Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing two Ignition models. Now just a quick one before we jump in, if you do like this style of content make sure to drop a like and also subscribe if you are new, and comment any new models you would like to see on the channel. But with that being said, let's jump straight into the first model, and that is this Nissan GT-R R33 or BCN R33 as you will see on the base plate. But starting off with the standard as we do with the packaging, you can see it comes in the nice sleeve design, nice burgundy colour with the white writing, very nice and premium. Same with the base, you can see it's got that nice metal plaque to display the GTR logo, nice sort of fake stitching on the plastic, and also you can see it does say limited production model on the base as well, as all Ignition models, even the red sleeves or burgundy sleeves, the white sleeves, and obviously the gold for resin. We'll be focusing on this GT-R R33 in this metallic green, which, let me tell you, the one thing Ignition models do absolutely better than any other model I've ever unboxed is the paintwork. Now, sometimes you will get better detail on other models for a little bit better price, i.e. Thai Micro with the opening hood feature for just under half the price, as these models can retail up to £45. Now, you are predominantly paying for the fact that these models are crafted absolutely excellent. Now, again, they have got your standard detail with your GTR badges, obviously the plastic headlights and tail lights, and all the detail as well. But you can see that carbon effect is super realistic, and the body lines are absolutely fantastic. The wheels are really well proportioned and sit really well in the arches as well. And you can see the ones are fixed on the back, but honestly you can wheel swap them fairly easy as it is just a screw base as well. Another good detail about the GTR from Ignition models is the fact that the headlights and the black casing is actually tucked behind the headlights instead of on the outside like some other brands like Inno64 or Pop Race. Now, this isn't the end of the world for them other brands, as they have got other detail elsewhere which does improve the model, but just the fact that the black case is on the inside just adds that extra level to the realism. And obviously you can also see that GTR very prominent on the grille. But like I say, this model is absolutely excellent. You can see the detail is very well done, and the body lines and proportions is also excellent as well. The paint application is absolutely flawless, and overall the way the model sits is just absolutely incredible. Overall, I would definitely recommend Ignition models for an R33, as this model is absolutely fantastic and is definitely up there with one of the better models I have unboxed. That now brings us on to the second Ignition model, which is this Honda NSX NA1, which as you can see comes in this absolutely gorgeous metallic red, which you can't really see too much with the packaging as it does kind of blend in with the red packaging, but nonetheless on the base and off the base in hand, this model looks absolutely fantastic. You can see again, same with the base, you've got the NSX logo very prominent and super neat on the metal base plate. You can also see again the low production number. I'm not exactly sure on the number produced for the burgundy or red sleeves, but nonetheless you can have a peace of mind knowing they are limited production. But as you can see, this model looks absolutely fantastic on the base, and there is some really cool details off the base as well. You can see again, just like the R33, the carbon hood is super nice, and the carbon effect is really realistic, and that Honda badge at the front is again very prominent, nicely proportioned, not too big and not too small where you can't see it. You can also see the wheels again are stuck in place, but there is a brake disc behind them. Again, you can see that in the light, very cool, and obviously the detail is just incredible on that brake disc as well. Again, the proportions and the paintwork is absolutely incredible. As you can see, the gloss metallic red is absolutely flawless, and there is absolutely zero blemishes at all in that paintwork. And you can also see the depth on the rear of the taillight is super good as well, also with the Honda badge. Now, the wing isn't in carbon, it's just in a nice gloss black, but again very nicely done and nicely proportioned as well. That back window does have a nice gloss effect, and it also has some nice detail on the parcel shelf with the parcel netting, which I think is a nice little addition and really good attention to detail on the actual model or actual car in real life. Again, you can see the bodywork and the body lines really nicely done, really smooth for a die-cast model, and you can see the exhaust tip as well, again just adding to that detail. There is some nice depth in the grille and again on the side vent, just again keeping to the realism and just showing why Ignition models are very, very good. Now, the detail on the interior isn't too prominent as you can see, but the detail on the bucket seat is still there nonetheless, which you can see. You can still see the seat again representing the bucket seat, just keeping to the realism. And also you can see all the different panels and body lines, super well done. Like I say, there's little things like the brake discs which are nicely detailed as well, not just a circle disc with a caliper, there is a bit of depth in there as well. And you can also even see on the wing mirrors, there is the mirror decal, which again looks really realistic. And like I mentioned, that net in the rear as well. But let me know your thoughts on each of these models, and if you have any Ignition models in your collections, which ones do you have? As I'm super excited to read all the comments, and I love seeing what other people collect too. Obviously, you can see I mainly collect JDM cars, but I'd love to check out other cars as well. So make sure to comment any new models you would like to see on the channel, as I'm always open to suggestions. Now, if you would like to check out any brands or have any brands in mind, check the playlist in case we have already done them, as we have done a multitude of brands in the past. So they are all in playlists, so make sure to check them out. But that's going to be it from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe, and let me know your favourite model from today's video. Thank you so much for watching.